Hey there, people. It's me, inuskypie. In today's episode, I'm doing another reaction video, but this one's to my new friend Skylar Nicely's YouTube poop of the Life of Pi. It's called Ratchet and Clank Life of Pi. Ratchet hates 367 topping pizza before nasty nefarious. Let's just dive right into this. This is gonna be funny. Okay, so Nefarious is working on his thing. Nice. Association with nobody. Next to like the laughing track. That's some good choice of doing the sound effect for the PlayStation.
Yes, I have accumulated the precise amount of Cooper 1 for 367 topping pizza.
You never said it was
A 367 topping pizza. Proximity alert.
Facial expression of this freaking video.
367 topping pizza.
When they're crossed over with the other ones, they're really fucking funny.
Stop it.
Get some help.
367 topping pizza
is nothing to get excited about. The box has more than the pizza.
It's not my primary objective, Ratchet. I find enormous satisfaction
Wow.
fulfilling system requirements to achieve output goals.
Yeah, but
A 367 topping pizza.
tentacle!
Tentacles?
Like a well-fortified
You got turned into a hentai real fast.
Supervillain.
Nasty.
Nefarious.
First, he
What?
brought you the
Let's see this up.
then the so now nasty nefarious.
Hey, Dr. Nefarious coming.
Behold, my most fearsome and dangerous weapon yet, the Pizza Burst.
The pizza burst.
A 300.
I didn't notice that it hit him in the face. Why is he mad at that? Squeaky.
Find them!
There they are, sir.
My pork!
His pork?
Return to our quest for a 367 topping pizza.
So long, Bowser.
Guy.
Mario!
You can't me.
I don't think anybody wants to beat him.
Sounds like you're on an important mission to Nothing to see here.
It's
367 topping pizza.
Let's see what this thing can do.
Oh,
that's hot. That's hot.
Smith.
Pizza time.
You all look so
Oh no.
hot.
Well, yeah, it's pepperoni. It's gonna be hot.
Bowser?
Return my pork! Supper mine!
you suck. Huh? Hey, buddy, you're almost there. Just a little to your right.
She said.
Oh! You are... Well...
He's a whale?
Return my pork!
My pizza coop.
I don't think there's any steak in that video. He just got bitched up.
You're ruining my pork station!
Hot food. We sit down to eat, and the potato's a bit hot. So I only put a little bit on my fork and I blow.
My pizza coop.
Well, I guess a free
367 topping pizza.
is better than no
Just
pizza at
fucking
all.
spanked
To
it.
make that free and numerically
His
satisfying.
face ratchet.
367 topping pizza.
Proximity alert.
What the hell was that? That was really fucking good. Oh my god, that was funny. What the hell? It's got me actually wondering if there was any, like, steak moments I'll have to go through that episode again and actually see if there was any parts where they said mistake, and then I'd be able to take that out and put it in my YouTube poops. Because you guys know me, I love making that joke about steak. I made a steak. Steak is not a time machine. So yeah. I'm gonna end the video here. Yeah. What the fuck? Ratchet and Clank Life of Pi, but only when Dr. Nefarious. I have a feeling that I think Skylar Nicely might be the another version of me, because we both have the same wavelengths of humor. I have a feeling. But yeah. Yeah, till next time, I'm inuskypie for another episode of, well, inuskypie Reacts. And I've got a single word going through my head that makes sense, and I got a Bolt here. And Bolt goes, ah. See you guys next time.